last time. Where is it? Did he say anything? No, carry me back and go. Do you want again? No, give it. Huh? Hallelujah. We don't get that. Carry me back and go.
So all this while, it was you.
My cheese. My leg. Nanyama tene. Next time. Are you sure he's the one? Yes. Are you sure? Better. Like you could see. Nanyama tene. Go sound down. Talibogo.
Nothing there for you. Yeah. Charlie, Sean.
Okay. Choboy!
Yay!
Choboy!
Yay! Okay, you all know me as Andres Achampong. Yes, and I have been with you since level 100. I know your heart desires. That's why I want you to vote for me as your SRC president. When you do vote for me as your SRC president, I will make sure that there's a free installation of Wi-Fi in every hostel and every lecture hall. And again, there's going to be a construction of a new library. And the GPA for first class students is going to be dropped to 3.0. That's a joke. What is here? And no standard. Not at all. This boy. We'll explain to you later. Again, the most special package is that there will be hot meal for every single student each and every day. I know this is Sunday. Okay, so I'll be on the campus radio tonight at 7 p.m. Don't miss it. All right. So we'll be looking forward.
And don't forget slot 3. All right. I love song.
So I think we should use this portion because I remember Dr. Sean saying it will come in the IE.
Really?
Yeah.
Hello.
That time when.
Good day, ladies. May I have a word with you?
Okay.
My name is Andres Achampong. I'm vying for the SRC president. I urge you to vote for me that you will be well represented and your needs are met.
Really?
Yes.
How do you know my needs?
I think it's not supposed to be just about you, but the entire student body. And since you are a student, definitely you're going to benefit.
Listen, Andrews, I think we're better off with what we're doing, which is actually studying to get an A, instead of what you're doing, which is giving us empty promises. Now, why don't you run along and finish with your campaign without us?
Adam, please allow the guy to speak. Give him a chance. What was your name again? Andrews, right?
Yes.
Please tell us more.
Please, what do you say your needs are again?
Now you're talking. But Rama, why were you being so soft on him? So familiar. Why? Do you know him? See your friend or something?
And why were you also very hard on him? Almost antagonistic.
He has some nerve to presume that the needs of myself are moi. Why? You and I are needs the same?
Madam Prima Donna, let's not spend time arguing over Andrews and whatever. Mr. Ashona waits.
What?
Let's go. Dr. Ashona waits.
What the hell happened? I've told you to be discreet. What are you thinking?
I always am. This one was just off the cuff. I was in a good mood. I guess I was reckless. You know, it's difficult to control sexual emotions, you know.
Discipline. I've told you to hold yourself if you want to be a leader, or you easily be compromised. You rendered ineffective.
Gosh, you have to help me out here, bro. Especially this close to the election. I would hate for a scandal to make me lose this round.
Have they made any demands?
None yet.
Well, proceed as planned. You have a big day tomorrow. Go and get ready for a debate. I'll be listening, and so will your fans. There's nothing anybody can do about it now. Go get a good night's sleep. All the best for tomorrow. And keep me posted.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yo, sent you an email. Check it out. Instructions included. I must stress the discretion required for this. We have a potential blackmailer. I need you to flash him out quickly before he does further harm. Okay? Good.
Okay. So is that all?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll get it for you, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You don't have a problem. Look, you are going to get it today.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Look, I'm here to serve.
Thank you.
Good. Yeah. Wow. Nice face, eh? Look, you are the most beautiful girl in this hostel, eh? Look, do you know or you don't know?
I think I know, sir.
Okay, then I'm prophesying to you that you are very beautiful. You are one of the most beautiful girls in this hostel, eh?
Thank you, sir.
Stop there. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Hey, tell me, is it Brazilian or from Nicaragua?
What do you think you are doing, Mr. Tete?
Oh, look, come off it. This is between two consenting adults. You rub my back and I rub your back. What do you say? Look, I'm going to supply everything to you, okay? Hey, where? Now, sure. Sure be one again. Hey, this is sure. Do you know what is sure? You know sure? Who sure means wow? And then the Manchester.
What did you just do that for, Mr. Tete? You have crossed a very dangerous line, Mr. Tete.
Oh.
Yes, I will scream rape.
Oh, why?
You know my daddy is a lawyer, right?
Yes, oh, but you see, I was only playing with you. I was just playing.
This game, as you put it, is going to cost you. Give me one good reason why I shouldn't report you to the authorities.
Oh, report me for what?
For trying to rape me.
Please, bring down your voice.
Good.
Trying to... how can I rape you? Please tell me, what do you want? Please.
Hey.
Please.
Now you are getting the drift. Listen, I'm not going to pay for the following services anymore. Laundry,
okay,
internet, and the gym. This body that you've been admiring doesn't trim itself. Yes. Plus, I need my room swept twice a day. For free.
Okay, madam.
Good.
Okay, madam. Okay, but please, this have to be quiet between the two of us.
Do you want that in writing also?
Oh, no, please. No.
Good.
No, please.
Then I guess we have a deal, Mr. Tete.
Yes, madam. Hey, dear, sure, sure, few near tie. What's in the neighbor? Laundry, gym, sweep my room. Hey, Tete. Gentlemen, what do you want? Ah! Oh! Sorry. Oh, gentlemen, oh, please. Sit down. Please sit down. Oh, sorry. Why? Gentlemen, please, what can I do for you?
Mr. T.
Yes, please.
Why was it mentioned in the hostel's brochure that it has security cameras in here?
Security cameras? Where are they?
You mean you had no idea there are hidden cameras all over the place?
That's what I'm asking. Where are the cameras?
I don't believe you.
Me?
Someone is spying on us in this hostel. Ah, James, let's go talk to the police.
No. Please, sit down. Ah, so are you calling me a liar? Look, I'm old enough to be your father. Young man, is that the way you were brought up? You are walking off me. If you have come to me and I say I don't know anything about cameras, we sit down and talk. Then I walk about you. Now walk about you before the baba. Now walk about you. Nko tweet this your wana bibi. Na twi onolo mbabo then yoda. Afie nyoye. Be enyo for. Anyway. All right. So look, young man, tell me, what do you need?
What do we need?
Yes, please. Like I'm saying, we have to discuss this. There's no need to go to police. You understand? Let's talk about it.
Mr. T.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
For what? Ah! Are you people cursing me? What do you mean thank you?
This is gonna be alright?
Charlie. Don't worry, okay?
The incompetent Nincompoop has no idea about the cameras.
And he had the effrontery to look shocked. Guys, I think I have an idea. But first things first. Did you speak to the graphic guy?
I did. I put the fear of God in him and showed him the video as well. He's clean. Guys, at this point, every idea is welcomed. God forbid that some peeping toms will be the death of my political career before it even starts.
Trust me, that wouldn't happen. Okay, we got you. That wouldn't happen.
Guys, let's get out of here. Just in case there's some cameras here as well.
You might be right. Let's go.
Street beats. Yeah, the man them a call the street man bada. Take a look, tell me what do you see your father?
Honestly, Rama. Can I help you?
No. I was just observing the poster. You ladies like him.
Why? Do you have something against him?
Michael. Call me Mike.
Hello, Mike. Can I help you?
Never seen you here before. You must be new.
I moved in last semester.
Oh, really? You're pretty.
Don't let any man be your boss. Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you.
Date night?
Yep.
You might want to go a bit sexier on the underwear you're showing.
No, Ivana, you know, I could have sworn I took my favorite song off the line, but I couldn't find it when I was putting my stuff away.
Well,
seriously,
join a long list of girls who are losing their underwear every day in this hostel.
Really?
I think we have a kleptomania.
I don't know, Irama. I'm definite I took it off the line. You know that weird guy, Mike? He was standing there. He was just standing there. What's his deal?
beats me.
Well, I'm off. Be good.
Have fun. Bring back something nice.
Like what, pizza?
No, Thai food.
Hey! Ready? No, this cannot happen. It's not possible. Hey! Look, if you don't want trouble, don't do giddy giddy. If you don't want trouble, don't do any giddy giddy. But Mr. What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of what? Is it about the female panties or the cameras? Hey, it's about the cameras. Mr. T, please. Every day for thief man, 1 day for murder. Hey, don't bet me. Am I God? Am I God? If you don't take time, you chop the blade. Chop the blade. Hey, let's go. Move. Hey, do you know me? Jump. Jump. Ah. Hey, you think I'm joking? I said jump. I will jump. Jump. I'll jump. I said jump. Jump. Hey. Jump. Hey.
House of Emoja